Welcome back to CountyLine TV. I don't know what this means to you, but there's some tires and some camera gear, and I'm looking for my helmets, and it's in the Corvette. So if the title and the thumbnail and me saying that doesn't put the pieces together for you, I'll see you at the track. We made it to the track. Driver's meeting is about to start, so I'm gonna go record that. I'm not driving, but I'm gonna go attend the driver's meeting anyway. That's who I am as a person.
Keep your hand up if this is your first event, like at all, and you've never done this. If you have done like multiple events and you're trying to work on like transition work, go to this corner of the tower. Our swamp over here hasn't let us finish this part of the track yet, so we sank a paver last week. If you're going to be over here, you can go ahead and get in this line on the end of this strip of building. There's 2 cones that mark a gate. You go through that gate, take a right on the gravel road, it takes you right to the front gate of the oval. The pit wall's open, so you can go across the
I do want to clarify after that this is a beginner event, so there's going to be like on this part of the track there's going to be a lot of people doing figure eights around those big tires, and then there's another track over there where they're going to be doing like an actual track layout. So I'll probably go over there here very shortly. So there's actually a third area where they're drifting. This is it's like a really cool setup because, or I guess fourth, yeah. So there's four. When I flew the drone, you saw people doing figure eights around tractor tires, and then I flew over to the oval track where they're doing like a whole layout or whatever. There's also an area right down there. Obviously that's going to be like micro ants on this camera, but there's an area down there where they're doing like entry. Just an entry and then drift one turn and then turn around and enter the other way on the same turn. And then there's this area down here where we're doing donuts. So this whole like beginner's day thing is like actually really cool. I'm glad there's something like this really close to home now, because I mean a lot of people need something like this. It's really stressful to go to a whole track day and like just have to learn. So it's really cool that they're doing this, and they have so many different things for people to try and learn and get better at, and I don't know, it's just cool. And then there's a little something spicy going on tonight, so see that on the next video. Well, this is probably going to be a really short video, but it's just some clips of you know, some of the guys that were driving today, and girls actually. The clips of the white G that was Emma's car, she was driving, and Ryan's wife Michaela was driving as well. So pretty cool event. I feel like this event was probably really special to a lot of people, because there was a lot of people that came here and their driving was pretty hairy, and then like everybody showed so much progression, and there was some guys that were even like really shredding out there towards the end of the day. So really cool. I hope they do this like steadily. Like I hope these events happen more often, because even though I don't get to drive at them, it's like really special and just really cool. So anyway, I bet my audio is great with this bike running. All right, cool. It shut off. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this episode though. So just go ahead and click on this video up here or this playlist down here. And if you're not subscribed, it'll be right here. Tell your mom to subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one.